Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Opus AI, how you can get shorts in a matter of seconds with only one click. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's find a video that we want to break into pieces. Let's say for example we want to break into pieces this video about KFC, okay? We want to click on the three dots underneath the video and then we want to click share. Then you want to click copy link. Now after we have the link, you want to go on Google Chrome and you want to find opus.pro. This is the website we're going to be using. First thing you want to do is essentially you want to come over here and paste the link. After you paste the link, you have to click get free clips. What this will actually do. When you paste the link of the video for KFC that we posted, the actual platform and the AI converter will create a 10 viral short form clips, which will be coming with their own description, with their own title, and they will be ranked from 1 to 10 from the most likelihood of the video getting viral to the least likelihood of video getting viral. And they will be grabbing a particular pieces of the video. Some of the videos might have a duplicate phrases or duplicate parts of the previous or the next video, because like I mentioned, this app simply chops off different scenes of the video. So some of the scenes might be overlapping, but this is essentially how it works. When you sign up, you will get the free credits, right? You will be able to create a number of videos, which after you exhaust your credits, you will be able to, buy more credits. You can sign up for free. I have a bunch of videos created on my own TikTok, and it is very nice. The only issue I see with this is that, the videos are usually not coming over a minute long. And if you use this app for publishing on TikTok, we all know, if you're part of the creativity program, better videos have to have a longer duration of 1 minute. So then you might simply have to do additional editing so you can make it a little longer. Unfortunately, we don't have the option over here to make it a little longer. But essentially, this is how easy it is to just copy the link from the video that you want to chop off, and then you paste the link over here, you sign up for free, and then you simply click get free clips. And the best thing is that you can simply leave the app, because usually it takes a while. It depends on how many people are currently using the app. They will send you an email with notification that your videos are ready, and you're gonna get a link and you will be forwarded to your own page with all the 10 videos ready for download. Okay, for more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.